Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the source so you can remove it cleanly. First, boot into safe mode to disable third-party apps temporarily. This confirms whether the ads are coming from an app versus the launcher or system. Next, scan your recent installs and any apps with permission to display over other apps. Once done, note suspicious app names and permissions. You will need those labels for targeted removal and for checking Play Store or APK origins before uninstalling. Now you remove the offending app and strip its power to show ads. If uninstall is available, remove the app. If not, force stop, clear data, then disable it and uninstall via package installer or settings. Revoke any special permissions like display over and notification access so pop-ups stop immediately. After that, run Play Protect or an anti-malware scan and update your remaining apps so vulnerabilities are patched. Make sure to reboot after changes to ensure permissions take effect. Finish by cleaning residual settings. Reset app preferences to clear hidden defaults and uninstall updates for system apps that misbehave. If nothing else works, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This removes deep-rooted adware. If ads still appear after reset, capture a screenshot or the ad copy and try a different launcher to rule out the home app. Then contact device support or your carrier. That single troubleshooting tip will speed targeted help if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.